Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct this complex part modeling in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now from here select the 2D sketch and click on the XY plane. This will be the front plane. Go to circle command. Here make one circle of dia 50 mm and from same center circle of dia 35 mm. Okay, now make one circle of dia 24 from same center of dia 12. Okay, now go to dimension. The center to center distance between all these circles will be of 100 mm. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. Now they are all horizontally aligned to each other. Now go to line command. First we will make a center line. So select center of this circle and center of this circle. Escape. Select this line and make it construction. Okay. Now go to line command once again. From this point to this point, make one line. Escape. As you can see, here the line is not constrained. So go to tangent constraint. Select this and select this. Okay. Now this line is tangent to this circle and this was already tangent to this circle. Escape. Now go to mirror command. Select this line. Go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now we are going to make the offset profile. So go to offset command. Select this line. Drag it inside. Enter. And here mention the value as 8 mm. Similarly, select this line, drag the cursor inside, enter and value 8 mm. Escape. Double click this, write 8 again. Similarly, double click this, 8. Okay. Now it is showing 8 value. Now go to circle command. From at this center line, make a circle. A random circle will be this. Escape. Go to tangent command, tangent constraint, select this line and select this circle. So this circle will be tangent to this line and this line. Okay, it is already tangent. Okay. Now go to dimension. The center of the circle from here will be at a distance of 20 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now go to trim command and we will trim the unwanted sketches. So trim this here and this. Don't trim this. This is inner circle. Trim here and trim here. Okay. Similarly, trim here, this also, and trim this. Okay. So this will be the profile which will leave left. Now go to dimension. Define this again as 25 and this is 25. Okay. Now full sketch is defined again. Finish sketch. Now go to extrude command and select this profile and select this profile. From here we will select symmetric extrude and the center to center and the distance here will be of 60. So this will be 30 this side and this side also 30. Okay. Now go to fillet command. Select this inner edge and here take a radius of 5 mm. Rotate and this side also 5 mm. Apply. Now rotate this. Now we will make the cut profile. So go to origin and we will select the top plane. The XZ will be the top plane. Go to create sketch. as you can see here also, top plane. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now we will make the cut profile over here. Go to sketch, line command. First make the center line passing through the part, escape. Now go to line and here make a rough sketch first till here in one line and till here, escape. Okay. Now go to dimension. From this center point, here this edge will be at a distance of 35 mm, and from this center rotate this and select here point. This point will be at a distance of 75 mm. Okay, top view, and from center this vertical distance will be at, okay, will not take from center, will take from side. This distance as 23 mm. Okay, escape. Select this center line and make it construction geometry. Now go to offset command and select this line and select this line. Drag the cursor inside, enter, and here take a offset of 8 mm. Escape. Here you can see 8 mm. Okay. Now go to extend and extend this line up to here. Escape. Go to dimension once again and define distance between them. Okay. Now go to mirror command, select this line, this all profiles, go to mirror line and select this center line, apply and done. Okay. Now go to line command, first close this profile till here and this. Okay. Now make the extra profiles for cutting. This profile will remain, and this outer and this outer will be cut from here. Select here and this and join this. Okay. Now finish sketch, or in sketch only you can give the radius also. So go back to sketch, go to fillet command, here take a radius of 10 mm and select this inner edges, this and this, select this and this, all of 10, and take radius here of 20 mm, select this and this, select this and this. Okay, so here the radius is 20 mm, here of 10, here of 10, and here also of 10. Escape. Okay, so this is the final sketch. Now finish sketch and go to extrude command. Select here and select here. Home. We have selected 3 profiles over here. Take a symmetric extrude and we will take cut. So these profiles will be cut and okay. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change to shaded with edges. So this will be the profile. Go to 3D model, fillet, take a radius of 20 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge and this edge, rotate this and this, apply. Okay, and exit. Here we have one profile more, and select this face, go to create sketch, go to line command, here make a line, escape, and go to line command once again and make one more line, a horizontal line, escape. go to dimension. The angle of this line will be 45 degree. Now go to offset, take offset this side of 5 mm and this side also of 5 mm. Okay, scale. Select this 5 mm, double click 5 mm. Okay. Now go to line command, join these profiles, scale. Now go to perpendicular constraint, select this and select this, select this and this. Okay, it is already perpendicular. Scale. Okay, now we have to define the distance. So go to dimension, select this center line, right click and go to align dimension. Here give the dimension as 22 mm. Scale. And select this, make it construction, drag this, or you can go to coincident, select this line and select this point. Now this is fully defined sketch. Go to trim and trim the internal profiles, this also, and escape. Now it is not defined, so go to dimension, give this center distance as 5 mm. Okay. Now as this distance is defined, from here take the center point arc. From this center, select this point and select this point. Escape. And select this projected profile, make it construction. Okay, only this profile will be left. Go to 3D model, extrude, and here select this profile. Go to symmetric extrude and make it a cut profile. And okay. So it is also a through cut over here. Now rotate this and we will give the other fillets. So go to fillet command, take a radius of 2 mm, go to edge and select complete side edge and this side edge, this inner profile, this profile, rotate this profile, this inner. Okay, so I think all profiles we have selected. So all edges we have selected at once and okay. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now go to color and here we will give the color as blue wall paint and select fillet to define the different color, and from here we'll select chrome polished. Okay, so it will give a different look to fillet. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a complex profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.